don't use sugar anymore.
Man.
The only time I might taste sugar is when I go somewhere and somebody offer me a drink and
but you don't use it by yourself
and
here.
I might accept it if
Yes.
you know if it's natural. And I might accept it because I know if I flush out that back after a time.
Sugarcane, guys! Today I'm going to talk to you about how one man uses it as sweetener in all his products, in all his food. He doesn't believe in the commercial, the industrial version of it, so guess what? He farms his own sugarcane so he can make his own sweetener. I'm going to share that with you right now. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, so I invite you to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification. I have a lot of videos. Stuff like these, I call it the real Jamaican. I don't want you to miss any of that. So hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell notification. That way, you'll see updated on all my latest videos. Let's go. So, cane juice, guys, Jamaican style. I'm going to show you step by step. Mr. Atkinson, same gentleman from Rock Farm, same gentleman, the chocolate man. Remember him? He's going to show us how to make cane juice, original Jamaican style, the manual way, the old time way.
Yeah,
all right, sir.
Alright, we just cut some cane out of the field, so
yeah.
Just going to scrape it off.
Alright. Yeah.
We just scrape it off.
So you have a cane seal, basically. A little stuff.
Yeah, a little, not a big one, but
yeah.
You know, and these are not the ribbon cane, this is just a black cane.
Okay.
It's called the sugar cane, sugar black cane.
Oh, it's sugar.
I love to scrape it off first.
Yeah.
And get off some of the blackness and where there was. Slug crawl and them and all kind of thing.
Okay.
I get off some of that.
Right.
Yeah. Clean it off a little bit.
Yes.
Yeah.
So guys, if you remember the video on the Rock Farm chocolate tea, you remember that video? Well, there's a link actually in the description below. Remember, one of the ingredients that he used, remember he didn't use any water, he just used cane juice. One of the ingredients was, as I said, cane juice. So he's going to show us now how he makes his cane juice, authentic, original Jamaican style.
Yeah, so we scrape it off like that. Some of the skin is bad, so cut it off. Cut off the bottom. You know, cut it in two like that.
Yeah.
And then just split it, so don't give me muscle them too much trouble. Run through the cane mill.
Yeah.
Right, so this is it here.
Alright. These are the cane.
This part is little bad.
Yeah, so you cut off the bad.
Cut off the bad part there.
Alright.
These are the cane now.
Yeah.
So we just put it underneath the little spout here.
Alright, so tell me a little about the machine here first before you start, mister.
Now this machine, when I was in, I originally come from in Kingston.
Yeah.
That's where I went to school. And
but you were born here though?
No, I was born, actually I was born in England.
Oh!
Yeah, because I was born there, but I came back to Jamaica very, very young.
Okay.
Maybe around 1 year.
Yes.
And so I grew up most of my life in Kingston.
Yes.
Yeah, from all around. We move around 3 places.
Yes. But this is a family place.
Yeah, but this land here was bought by my father from I was a little boy.
Yes.
Yeah, so he had this place down here when I was little.
Yes.
And he always come down here with him as a little youth, you know?
Yes.
In the holiday time.
Yeah.
Come
a country.
Come enjoy some of the country life.
Yes.
And as me grow up and get big and kind of live through the school thing now, you just get to love country.
Yes.
As a Rasta man, you know, you want to eat natural food, you want to plant food for yourself and everything. That's all. And this property is a lovely property because it has a river running through it.
Wow.
So just the water alone.
Yes.
Make me come like, it just hold me down here.
And I count over 30 different fruit trees.
Yeah, very fruitful.
Very fruitful, lush.
Yeah, you have breadfruit, you have star apple,
Yeah.
you have Ethiopia apple.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have
Aki.
Sour
sap.
You have sour sap. You
Star apple.
You have lime trees.
This star apple right above here.
Yeah. Breadfruit.
We have lime trees. We have tangerine.
Yeah. Cherry.
We have 1 or 2 orange trees.
Cherry.
Yeah. We have
Pear
cherry.
tree.
Yeah.
And I plant cane and
Lime.
I plant and I plant banana.
Guava is here.
Guava is here also as another fruit.
Everything.
So we have a lot of fruits.
Yeah, apple. The what apple you mentioned. Yeah.
Eat
Coconut. We mentioned coconut.
Yeah, and we have pear.
Pear.
Good avocado.
Yeah, man. Everything is here. Everything is here. And then the herbs, because I see neem.
A lot of
I see
herbs.
guinea hen. I mean, everything.
Yeah, because we have
lime
guinea hen
tree.
right here.
Yeah.
Right here in front of me is guinea hen.
Yeah. Yeah, guinea hen.
Bush.
You have everything here, man. Everything to sustain life here, Mr. Atkins.
Yeah.
This is the place.
Yeah.
Wow. Heaven and earth. All right. All right. So you were telling me about the machine, though.
Yeah. Well, the machine now, it's a little Rastaman out by the. My father used to run a little factory, and a little Rastaman used to be at the gate where his factory was, and he had a little shop, and he had this cane mill along, and he had another one. So he decided to sell my dad this one. So
This is the old cane mill.
we brought it down here and
Okay.
set it up. And
Yeah.
it's here ever since.
Nice, nice. I appreciate what you do, man.
We kind
you know-
of get, and from there,
Yeah.
I stopped drinking sugar.
Whoa, you don't use sugar anymore?
Don't use sugar anymore. The
Man.
only time I might taste sugar is when I go somewhere and somebody offer me
Yeah.
a drink, and,
Yeah. But you don't use it by yourself
and
here?
I might accept it if
Yes.
you know if it's natural. And
Yes, yes.
I might accept it because I know if I flush out that back after a time.
All right. All right. Good. So this is the original cane mill. All right. So you should show us now how you do it, eh?
Yeah, man. We just cook it in a
All right. So it's just a very manual. So you put.
manual.
Oh, so you put the cane.
I get the exercise. When I do it,
Okay.
just
Okay.
like that.
All right. You do it twice.
Fold it and then grind it again.
Yeah.
Get everything out of the cane.
Oh,
See
nice.
the trash.
Yes. Just trash. All right. So here.
And if you want, you can just get some ginger. Yeah. You can just put the ginger in between here. Fold it like that.
Yeah.
And then you grind again.
Yeah.
And squeeze it
So
out of
this is your sugar.
This is my sugar.
Nice, nice.
So I have to work to get my food. It don't come easy.
All the better. You do it the natural way, man.
This is the natural way.
Natural way. Remember, guys, this is it again. We had a video on how to make chocolate tea, original Jamaican way. Actually, I'd say the original Jamaican rock farm way, which is Mr. Atkins way. Yeah. And the cane juice is his sweetener. He doesn't use sugar, as we know it. As the sugar comes from the cane, obviously, but as we know, it's a lot of commercial and industrial processing and stuff.
And chemicals.
And chemicals added. He doesn't do that. This is what he does. And at the end of it, he gets this.
Yeah.
This is
Good
pull it up,
cane
closer to you. Yeah. That is it. The original Jamaican.
Real stuff.
Real stuff.
Cane juice.
No
And
additives.
just
You
drink
can
it
put
from
a
the
little
cup.
sour orange or lime
Yeah.
in it.
Yeah. And have it fresh.
Or you can, because I have some apple juice for you, made from the same cane
You have
juice.
apple juice for me?
Yeah.
What you saying,
I'm going to
man?
give you a
Are
glass.
we having a feast, man? today?
Yeah, man.
All right, guys. So this is Rock Farm cane juice. Mr. Atkins, he doesn't sell cane juice now. This is just what he does for his own use, personal use.
Personal.
You know, so we just wanted to show you that. Yeah. But remember, if you're interested in the chocolate, because he used this in the chocolate tea. Yeah. He doesn't use sugar. Consider using.
Miss Aini,
yeah.
boil no, so you could have boiled sugar. Remember, me used to go up there with my father. When he so he came and me know about them as well. So he came and mill the sugar they boil to it.
All right. All right, this lady here can attest to all of the good stuff here in the background.
Come on, some refreshment.
Some refreshment here, guys.
Made from the same apple and the cane juice.
Apple and the cane juice.
Yeah.
All right. So is it?
All right, that's all come nice.
Wow. So what do you call this, Mr. Officer? You have a special name for it, sir?
This is just apple juice.
Apple juice, Rock Farm style.
A little ginger in it, so You can tell me how it tastes.
Yeah. Wow, nice, nice.
Now I'll give you apple juice instead, yeah? Look like it was enough.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, fish here.
Nice.
Yeah.
All right, so that's apple juice. Apple juice with.
Baby, take yours.
This is the juice.
Take it,
Taste
baby.
it. Drink it.
Wally.
How's that, Pops?
That is the same apple that you're going to eat. Come on, you can't.
This is Venetia. This is Venetia's son, guys. Enjoying apple juice. Oh, it tastes, Pops.
You like it?
Ginger and I. Yeah, ginger apple.
All right, guys, we're gonna have it. We're gonna have this apple juice, Rock Farm style. Apple juice with cane. So cane juice with apple juice with a little ginger. Cheers.
You know on top. You want only one time. Lord Jesus.
So Venetia missed, my assistant guy, she missed the process of how to make the cane juice. So we juice the cane using this manual machine. So Mr. Atkinson taught me well, so I'm gonna show her how it's done. Alright? So the cane is cut, and all we do is just put it in here and press it and roll it, rotate it, roll it. Roll it, roll it. We'll catch it back here and do it one more time.
Fold it.
Alright?
Fold it here.
Fold, okay, I'm gonna, alright, so I think so fold it, catch it again, and I'm gonna fold it, alright, and then roll it again. Alright, this is how Mr. Atkinson makes his sugar. He doesn't use sugar. Alright? That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Original Jamaican cane juice. The old time, the manual way, guys. I love to hear from you. What do you make of it? Drop a comment down below. And remember, I do a lot of videos capturing stuff like these. I call it the real Jamaica. I don't want you to miss any of that. So, join us. Subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. And tap the bell notification. That way you'll see updated on all my latest videos. This is